It's your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and this one is for the girls who like color, honey. You want something different, baby? This one is for you. With this unit from Nadula Hair, we are coming through with a 13x4 ash blonde wig. I'm actually very excited about this. I love being blonde, okay? It's one of my things. So this is the unit fresh out the pack. I'm already getting my flat irons and everything all rearing and ready to go. She is a superlatively colored unit. I kind of like when they have almost like that lavender purple toned ash blonde. Like, I love that, and she's so highlighted so beautifully. I believe she's 180% density. This is a 13x4, okay, lace closure wig. You can already see she's relatively pre-plucked, which I love that. Okay, put my little dark skin hand up under there. This is the unit. She has 2 combs on the side. She's giving blonde, and I love it. 2 combs on the side. It's sewn onto a dome cap, okay? She has 1 comb at the bottom, an adjustable band, and adjustable straps, what kind of forever. So we're just going to throw this unit on and see what mother working with. So I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to put this unit on. We're going to do a ball cap today. So this is going to take a little bit longer than usual because I didn't already put the ball cap on. So let me show my baby tip mouth, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, my loves, before we get on into this, I'm going to just throw this unit right up on my Mammy Tammy head so you guys can see just how beautiful she is. So this, again, is the Nadula Hair 613 dark blonde wig. Okay, so I'm going through with my Ibn lace tint, and I'm just making sure we get on in there because we're going to do the bald cap method on this because this is blonde hair, and I don't want the blacks to be showing. So I'm going on through on cool with my blow dryer and making sure we lay this cap down. And then I'm going to take an adjustable band and tighten her up so we can hold on to her and kind of wait for her to be finished within the next 10 minutes, okay? So now I'm going to cut off the excess cap. I really do have typically I'm just like really big on like waiting those certain amount of time to make sure it's a seamless install, but this time around I didn't wait 10 minutes, and honestly because I'm a girly who's used to installing wigs, I don't think I needed to, so I'm just going to go on through and get it together as is. So this unit is 24 inches. She is oh my goodness, breaking news, I forgot to tell you guys, the price has been reduced. The price has been reduced for the girlies in the back. So this unit, where we said was closer to $400, is now going for around $250. So at 24 inches, at 180% density. So to me, that's all good news. I'm dropping in this Mammy Tammy video, and make sure you check her out in the description box. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to make sure that this unit is safely and secured on my Mammy Tammy head. Ain't no wig snitching going around here. So I'm using my Nadula lace band just to make sure that she is super tight so we get a very seamless install. So what I'm going to do here, because I didn't co-wash this unit before I put her on, which you should, big which you should, I'm just going to wet her down and blow dry her out, and this kind of gives me more of a blank slate for which I can style this unit. I actually really do love this method, just wetting her up a bit or co-washing her and then going on through and then styling the unit. It really does make a difference. So I'm going to do a switcheroo again, and I'm going to get in here and I'm going to flat iron this Mammy Tammy hair. So this dress, because it's a maxi dress, it's from Naked Wardrobe. I know you guys are going to ask. It's from Naked Wardrobe, and I have on my Bottega dupe earrings, okay? So I'm using my Revlon straighteners just to get on, excuse me, my Conair straighteners, just to get on through and straighten this unit out from the root to the tip, okay? And I really do like the texture of this hair. This unit is very silky and sexy. She is extremely big head friendly, which I kind of appreciate. I don't have that much of a big head, but the girlies do, okay? So I'm going on through, making sure we get this unit all the way together. We're going to straighten her out all the way up to the top. And then I'm going to come back on the other side and give y'all what you've been waiting for. We are done. I am back with this Nadula Hair blonde, ash blonde wig. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. Let me know if my tracks are showing. She feels a little thin. The only thing about this unit I don't like, okay? She does feel a little thin. I did use the wrong scissors. Do not use those scissors to cut no hair unless you don't have no other choice. I used the wrong scissors to go through, but that's because for some odd reason I can't find my hair scissors. I like this unit. I do. She's laying super flat. The lace looks great. I like this unit. I like being a blonde. We are in a blonde stage. I really wanted to give you Barbie, but Morticia, if you're picking up what I'm putting down, okay? I really like how this unit turned out. Now, the color of this ash blonde really does give you a nice lavender, ashy, gray. I love it. I like really do love this color. I think it's really stunning on my skin, and it's kind of giving. At first I was a little bit worried because I'm very tan. I don't know if you guys can tell down here. I'm very tan. I thought it was going to give me a little bit too stark, but I think it's giving. I think it's working. This hair did not shed. She shed, but she didn't tangle, okay? Which I love. She's very big head friendly for the girls in the back with the domes. Okay, she's very good for that. But I do think that this unit is absolutely positively worth it. I feel so sexy and so beautiful, and it's giving Barbie. Barbie, okay? But goth. Barbie, but the Adams, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm really happy with this unit. This again is from Nadula Hair. Make sure you check them out. We are a proponent, cousins, lovers of them, okay? And I really want y'all to get into it as well. And I do it again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye! Nadula.